What's up, Collision fam? I'm Josh Palisoc from Lemoore, California, and I've been drumming for 9 years in total, but drumming on drum set for 7 years. Now, if you know Filipinos, you would know that we are very musically talented, whether it be through singing or playing musical instruments. I was gracious enough to be blessed with being talented in singing as well as being talented in drumming. But I would consider myself a drummer a bit more than a singer. I'm a part of an up-and-coming band that I started with my buddies last year. We are called Atomic Meridian, so be on the lookout for things that we are putting out in the future. Now today I will be showcasing the use of my favorite collision sticks, which are the 5B reaches. Now these sticks, I've been using them for the past couple weeks and they still are very durable. They feel like brand new still every time I play with them, and they feel like they've been made with the best material possible, so they do not feel cheap at all. And they have overall just helped me improve in my playing. And now let's get to me playing. Today I will be playing Still Into You by Paramore. Enjoy.